Association. So from interview point of view, this association is again going to be very important. And as a developer, your association concept should be strong. It's one of the most confusing topic in the CDS. Okay. It's one of the most confusing topic, and even the experienced developer and trainer also gets confused in this association. Okay. Need to be practiced and need to be understood well, this association. I have done a lot of research on association, and that video is there in this CDS playlist. Please go and watch out if you want to understand on association in more detail. At least once you are supposed to watch out the video. Association. What is association? It's a powerful concept. It's a very powerful concept. And actually, if you want to define the association, you can define association as association is more close to the conceptual thinking. What is association? Association is nothing but it is more close to conceptual thinking. What is the meaning of conceptual thinking? Okay. What is the meaning of conceptual thinking? So when we talk about the conceptual thinking, you have to focus on the semantic meaning of association, because it is CDS, right? So we are talking about the tables. And when we are talking about the tables, and when the word association comes into the picture, the meaning of association means association of two tables. Okay. Association of two tables. So this is the table 1 and this is the table 2, right? In OpenSQL, earlier we were not having the concept of association, right? We are not having the concept of association. We are having the concept of inner join, right? We have the concept of left outer join, right? So if you want to join the two table, earlier we used to do the inner join or left outer join, right? But now, but now association is also supported by new OpenSQL. Okay. Association is also supported by new OpenSQL as well as CDS. So for new OpenSQL, just go and check. But I believe with new OpenSQL also it is supported. So I'm just getting confused a bit over here. But with new OpenSQL, it's getting supported, right? Okay. So with new OpenSQL also we can use the association. Just go and check this one. With CDS, we are sure that we are using, right? So that's where the association over here is. So association is nothing but association of two tables, right? So when we talk the association of two tables, right? That means we are going to join the two tables. But the thing over here that association does not always mean joining the two tables. Okay. Association does not always mean joining the two tables. However, join always means the association. Okay. Whenever you are going to join, that means two table you must have to associate. Okay. You must have to associate two tables if you are going to do the join. But if we are going to associate two tables, it does not necessarily to have join between them. Is it clear? Just write over here in the chat box if you are if you're getting what I'm trying to tell over here. Clear. Just write here in the chat box clear if you are understanding what I'm trying to tell over here. Okay. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join means 100% it is association, but vice versa is not true. If two tables are going to be associated with each other, you know, it is not necessary that both the table is joined together. Okay. both the table is joined together. Okay, thanks, Harkesh. So other people, I believe they are not understanding, right? So those who are not understanding, you must have to have the basic concept first clear. Okay. Or if you are understanding, just write here in the chat box over here that you are getting. Okay. Or if you're not getting, you have to go through the CDS playlist. Otherwise, this session also will be boring for you. If you don't have the proper understanding of fundamentals, this session is going to be boring for you. Okay. And more than that, I won't be able to explain over here, right? So what we understood that association means not join always, but join means association always. Okay. Here let's dig deeper inside the association. Association is a powerful concept, performance booster over join in case of exposed association. There are two types of association. Okay, let's try to have some more points. Association is a lazy join. Association is join on demand. Association is also known as lazy join, and association is also known as join on demand. Okay, right here in the chat box, association is a lazy join and association is a join on demand. Right here in the chat box. Association is also known as lazy join, right? Association is also known as lazy join. Association is also known as, so remember this word, it will help you. Lazy join or join on demand. The meaning of lazy join means join on demand. Join on demand means whenever it requires to have the join, then only it will put the join, right? If it does not, if the association, suppose these two tables are there, right? So one table here, let's suppose if you have the Mara table, okay, and here let's suppose if you have the Marcy table, and if you want to join both the table based upon the, so you have written something like, you have written something like, like this: select. Okay, you have written something like select. Let's assume this is a CDS on which you have written some select query like this: select Matner from Mara, inner join Marcy on Mara dot Matner equals to Marcy dot Matner. So here, if you see that only we are selecting Matner, right? Only we are selecting Matner from Mara, inner join Marcy on Mara dot Matner and Marcy dot Matner. Here, is it somewhere required to fetch the data from Marcy? We are not fetching any data from the Marcy, right? We are not fetching any data from Marcy. Still, if you put the select query like this, where you are putting the inner join over here, it's going to have the it's going to have the inner join. It's going to perform the inner join. But if you are not, if you are not using the inner join, and if you are using the association over here, okay, don't go for syntax at this point of time, just try to understand the concept. So if you are using association over here from Mara association to Marcy, and here you'll have to give the association name. Okay, so but currently we are not going for the correct syntax, so forget about the correct syntax, try to understand the concept over here. If you are using the association between Mara and Marcy, okay, and because the data is not going to fetched from Marcy, you can see the Matner is getting fetched from Mara only, right? Not Marcy. Then what the system will intelligently, how the system intelligently has been designed, that if you are going to use the association, it will not do the inner join with Marcy, it will just fetch the data from Mara table only. Okay, it will just fetch the data from Mara table only, right? It will just fetch the data from Mara table, from the left table, from the Mara table only it will fetch. So the performance is going to be faster, right? Because it's not going to put the join with Marcy. It will directly go and get the data from Mara table. It's directly going to, it will directly go and get the data from the Mara table, right? So this is how we have over here the concept of association. So association is known as the join on demand, right? Or it is also known as the lazy join, because it's not going to have the join always. That's why it is known as lazy join, right? Every time it is not going to perform the join. Whenever the join is required, then only the join is going to be performed, right? That's why it is known as lazy join, and that's why it is known as join on demand whenever it is required. Okay, both are related to each other, both are complementary to each other, both the statement lazy join and join on demand, both is complementary to each other. Here another, there are two types of association: ad hoc association and exposed association. Okay, there are two types of association. Very important question: how many types of association in CDS? How many types of, right here in the chat box, meanwhile, how many types of association in CDS you have? So answer is ad hoc association, and another we have the one is ad hoc and another is the exposed association. Ad hoc association and exposed association. Okay, what is the meaning of ad hoc association and what is the meaning of exposed association? Okay, this we'll see tomorrow. What is the meaning of ad hoc and what is the meaning of exposed association? Okay, meanwhile, I'm just going to read it down and go through the videos related with association. At least, you know, first 2 or 3 videos just go through today and try to explore. See here, ad hoc association, it always does the join irrespective of demand. It is same as join. So if you are going to use the ad hoc association, it is always going to perform the join, right? It is always going to perform the join. So this question we will discuss tomorrow. What is ad hoc association? Okay, so ad hoc association is nothing but it does the join irrespective of demand. So it is same as the join, right? Another point, every association converted to join at DB level, right? Every association is converted to join at database level. Under association, all the fields is first looked from left table. It is, if it is not present in first table, we are supposed to give the table name from which data is being fetched, right? In join, if a field is not unique, we must have to give the table name to identify the uniqueness. Okay, so here I'm just going to leave it. In tomorrow, we'll try to put more focus on this. Before that, I would highly recommend you to go and watch out the video related with association at least, so it will make sense for you. Otherwise there is no meaning. You will not be able to understand, you know, it will be difficult to understand. So just go and watch out and try to understand the concept, and then tomorrow we'll discuss about this one. So tomorrow, in summary way, I will try to explain about this association and what the point we have written over here, and then we will go ahead. And we have so many things: association and cardinality, right? And association with path expression, what is the limitation of CDS, how to overcome some of the limitation, right? Then some inbuilt function we'll check it about. So here UI5, like how we can use the CDS in UI5, right? So these are the things in the next session.